Hello, today I am showing how to fix the trailing zeros in Excel. So let's say we are measuring mass using a two-digit balance. Let me write the mass 1.10. This zero is called trailing zero, and then 1.00, 1.15, and let's say 1.20. These are the different masses, but we cannot see the zero, that is trailing zero, or here we have two zeros. Let me show you how to fix this issue. So the first of all, you select this numbers and you go to Home tab, and then after Home tab you can see here number, and then you can see here increase decimal. That is what you go. Okay, we want, and then this is for increase and this is for decrease. So we want two decimal places. That is one of the ways we can do. And there is another way you can do, that is by selecting this and then you right click, and once you right click you see format cells, and then in format cells you go to the number, and then you can put a decimal places. You can increase or you can decrease. So we want, if you want one, you can do this way. Can you see one? So again, we want two. So you go to this and then, okay. And then we can see this way. Thank you for watching this video.